Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by and kindly remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate for you taking your time and coming back to watch my video. So on to today's video, I want to take you through my bed-sitter apartment tour. So on to the video. This is my entryway. Down there I have a navy blue doormat, and I decided to go with the theme of yellow, white, and gray. And black is the major color in this apartment. So that's my entryway. That's the switch for my security light and my living room stroke bedroom lighting. After that we have this beautiful snake plant.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking.
It's blooming. I've been taking care of it. Right after that we have this mirror that I DIYed myself, and it's black in color. Remember guys, I told you my theme for my house, it's black, gray, yellow and white. So I have that beautiful mirror, which is a 5x2, or is it 2x5, something of the sort, feet. And then I have this beautiful Pinterest inspired carpet that I got from a local supermarket in Eldoret. I think it was Kitias. After that I have which houses my laptop. I used to have a TV. It's a long story, so right now I don't have one, so I'll be using my laptop. And then I have this beautiful black coffee table and 2 decor books and this amazing succulent plant. It's a fake succulent plant. And this pyramid, just as decor pieces.
You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything.
I also have this beautiful gray couch which was custom made by a local fundi. It's a 2-seater which was going for 7,000. Yeah. And then I have these 2 throw pillows with yellow pillow covers, which I think it looks great. And on the other side I have my throw blanket. Onto this side I have this water storage, just in case we don't have water. I won't be wondering what I'll do. After that, this is my kitchen window, which has a sheer milky white sheer with yellow curtains. This is the utensil rack which holds my cups, mugs, sufurias, plates, everything that's needed in the kitchen. Sink with running water. We don't have running water 24/7, but ikipotea maybe ni 2-3 days then inarudi. Then I have under my sink we have this beautiful gray mat which has some shimmers on it, and then cabinets and you may want to have extra stuffs and my cooking stuff such as tomatoes, potatoes, onions, all that stuffs, my toiletries zote zinaingia hapo ndani zenye zina spaces za kuweka pale pengine. Onto the other side I have this 2-burner gas cooker, kitchen towel and oil dispenser at the back. On my kitchen cabinet I have these cute storage jars, my mugs which I don't use kila saa, my extra utensils, non-stick sufurias, my blender. This is where I put my spices and tea coasters, my salt shaker. I want to add more spice jars, and then I get that labeling thingy where you have to label your spices. So yeah, this is how my kitchen cabinet looks like up close. After the kitchen table we have the gas dustbin and dustpan. There's a sink over there, hand wash, toothbrush and toothpaste. Above it we have this beautiful amazing mirror that I got from Chandarana for around 35 or 4500. Can't remember, it's been like 2 years. can't really remember the exact price. Then we have this black dispenser which holds my drinking water, and on top of it I have these beautiful flowers that was gifted to me by my best friend, and my key holder. From there, that's the bed covered in a grey duvet. It's a 4x6 with 2 white throw pillows, fluffy throw pillows. That's the extension where I connect all my cables to. Then above the bed we have the pallet, and then we have 2 frames. Namaste in bed, good night, and then we have some decor going on. At the corner we have pampas grass, just for decor, nothing much. It's cream and grey in color. So that's how the bed looks like.
I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets. No secrets. No secrets.
Right after the bed we have this beautiful space where I've kept my shoe rack, and on top of it we have something going on here. We have this black painting which is of a lady holding a wine glass. I don't know if you can see it clearly. We also have this lampshade that I got like 2-3 years back. We have scented candles, diary for journaling, and then we also have another succulent. I really like succulents because I feel like si kazi mingi, you just have to water them twice or thrice a month and you're done. Easy to maintain, yeah, that's for me. And then we have that bucket, storage bucket, which also acts as a stool in my house. Then we have this wardrobe. On top of it, it hosts my handbags and shenanigans that I don't use each and every time. Like, I don't need them kila saa, so as a kokoju. That's how this space looks like. Right after the wardrobe, I have this space where I put my laundry basket, which is white in color, my towel, my face towel, more water storage cans. And on the same corner, that's where my bathroom lighting and shower switch are.
Secrets. No secrets. No secrets. No secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good.
Bathroom door. It's so pretty and unique. I feel like this house is so updated compared to the previous ones that I've been living in. So I have this beautiful grey mat with shimmers and my bathroom sandals.
No secrets. No secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good.
A cleaning rag, and then I have that place where I put my shower cape. It's self-explanatory, like I don't even need to explain. My shower gloves, of course my shower.
No secrets.
So I'm always ready for anything. Like maji ikipotea, I have maji. I never want to be in such a situation penye sina maji. Then you have my spray bottle for my hair and wigs. That rag is for cleaning my shoes. My Dove shower gel, toilet paper, and then I have this black storage box which I got it for 600 bob, which hosts my facial, skincare stuffs and all that, scented candle, anything that has to do with my body and smelling nice. So yeah. And on the window we have these cleaning detergents, air freshener. On those 2 little cans I have Downy and washing powder. And this is where I put my bathing soap and my scrubber. Bathroom. I feel like this bathroom is so spacious. very spacious.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop